Hello student classes, once again I am Sudhir and welcome back to my video. In today's video I will show you the solution of exercise 11.2. In exercise 11.2 we have question number 1 here. So the question number 1 is asking to find out the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, you know that equilateral triangle means the triangle is having all these three sides are equal, isn't it? And the question asks you to take this side as L. L. If L is the length of the side, the length of the side also will be L, so this also will be L. So we are going to find out the perimeter. You know that the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is 3 into sides. Okay, 3 into side. So 3 into side, 4 side. One side is L, isn't it? That means it is equal to 3L. So 3L is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is L. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 1. And the question number 2 is saying here the side of a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. Hexagon means the figure or the shape having 6 sides is called hexagon. So this is the hexagon, and we said that it is regular. Regular means all the sides are same. And the question is asking to take side as L. So perimeter of a regular hexagon is equal to how many sides are there? 6 sides are there. 6 into side. That means 6 into L. That means 6L. So 6L is the perimeter of the regular hexagon, where L is the length of the side. Okay. So this is what the algebra is. Means L, we don't know what is the exact value of the L. So but here we get one number. It is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle 3L, or perimeter of the regular hexagon as 6L. So this is called the algebra. So here is the application of the algebra in our geometry. Okay. Yes. Now let us go to next question. So hello sir, next question we have question number 3. Question number 3. So there is a cube. Okay, this is called cube. The 3D set, 3-dimensional set of a square is called cube. So this cube, you can see that there are so many edges are there. So each edge, actually this is a cube where all the edges are equal. All the sides are equal. So how many sides are there for this cube? It is find out, and we have to give that the formula to find out the total length of the of the edge. Total length of the edge. Total length of the side. Okay. How many sides are there? Let us count out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 sides are there, 12 edges are there. So the formula to find out the length, total length of the edge is the formula to find the total length, total length of the edge is equal to 12 into L. That means 12L. So 12L is the formula. Okay. Next, let us go to next question, question number 4. So what is question number 4? Let us see. The question number 4 is having one diagram again here, like this. One circle center is here, then a line passing to the center, you know that it is diameter, isn't it? Diameter. Diameter is then radius, not radius like this. Okay. So this is our radius, center C, A, B. So let's see the question. I'll read the question for you and I'll show you the solution. Okay. The question is saying like this: the diameter of the circle is a line which join 2 points on the circle. Yes. Diameter is a line that joining 2 points on the circumference, isn't it? Yes. And also passes through the center, center C. Here. This is the center. Diameter is the line that joining 2 points on the circle and also passing through the center. In this figure, okay, this figure AB is the diameter of the circle, C is the center. Now express the diameter of the circle, that is D, in terms of its radius. In terms of its radius. So what is the relation between the diameter and the radius that we have to find? Okay, clear? So this is the line which passing to the center and join another point, isn't it? So this is AB is the diameter and here is the radius. So R is the radius or CP is the radius, okay? So we are going to find out that what is this diameter as related to this radius CP. Radius is the CP and AB. So the relation we are going to find out, isn't it? So the solution is like this: diameter of a circle is equal to 2 times of the radius. 2 times of the radius implies that diameter means D. This is equal to 2 into radius is just 1 minute. What is diameter? Now diameter is AB. AB is equal to 2 into CP. So what is AB? AB is D. Diameter D is equal to twice R. CP is radius. So this is what is said. Okay. D is equal to twice R, 2 times of R, 2 times of radius. So this is the question asking here. Express the diameter of the circle in terms of its radius. That means D will be 2 times of the radius. Okay. Next question, let us see. Let's the next question. We have question number 5. In question number 5, it says that to find the sum of the three numbers 14, 27, and 13, we can have 2 ways. To add them, we can add them in 2 different ways. First, we add these 2. Okay. Then in the sum again we add 13. Then we get the total sum as 54. So again another one is that we add these 2 first and then we add 14. Then also we get the same answer 54. So in the question A and B statements are given. The statement is just to illustrate you only how we can do in 2 different ways. So but what happened? Actually we have to write the answer of question number 5, the associativity of the addition of this number. For example, yes, 14 plus 27 plus 13 equal to 14 plus 27 plus 13. That means first we add this and after that we again add 13. How you add here and get the answer will be same as how we add here and get answer. Like this. So this is called associative property. First we add this in first case. In the second case we add 27 and 30 first. So this is called associative property. Grouping. Okay. At the time we cannot add 3, so we can add 2 and go on adding another terms again one other number again. This is called an associative property, grouping in addition. Okay, this is called associativity of addition. So like this is called associativity of addition that we have studied and learned in the previous chapter in the beginning of this class. Now, in the question we said that this associative property, this expression is asked to write in the form of algebra. How will it be? Now, let this 14 be A plus this be B plus this 13 be C. That means A plus B in the bracket plus C will equal to A plus B plus C. B plus B in the bracket. So this is what is really asking. Okay, this is the answer in this one asking in the question. So here we have this answer for question number 5, and it's the last question of the 11.2. Now let us go to the next part of the chapter. So my dear student, next portion of the chapter is 11.3, exercise 11.3, and before this I want to just give some general concept of the algebraic expression. Okay. My dear student, you see here expression. Expression. What is expression in mathematics? See, any numbers having the operations with other numbers, or numbers with operation is called expression. For example, 3 plus 2 minus 1 is one expression. Okay, or 4 plus 7 plus 3 is also another expression. They are called expressions. Means numbers are having operations. Numbers are other operations with another numbers, isn't it? Numbers are with the operations, so this is called an expression. This expression you can find here and there. In this expression, there are only numbers. So they are called as arithmetic expression. Means with the number only. Arithmetic expression, plus minus, isn't it? Yes, this is called arithmetic expression. But now you are studying about the algebra. In algebra, you will find the expressions like this: 3 plus x, okay, or x minus 4, like this. Okay, so this kind of expression. Here you can find that in this expression, alphabet letters are there, A or B or C. Maybe let us say that 7A is also 7A plus 3. This is also another expression. So you can find that in this expression some letters are there, and this expression with the alphabet letters is called algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Okay, arithmetic expression where only numbers are there, and algebraic expression where letters are also there in the expression. Okay, expression. What is an expression? Expression is the operations between the numbers. It's called expressions. Now, in expression, each of the number, you can see that number 3 here, 2 here, okay. Again 3 here, again x here, this all, okay, each of them is called term. Each of them is called term. Okay, each of them is called term. Each of them is called term. T-E-R-M, term, and terms are separated by plus or minus. Each of them are called terms in the expressions, and term is separated by addition or subtraction. I mean by plus or minus sign. Okay, but not by into and division. Division and into do not or does not separate the terms, but plus and minus. And here you can find here another term called 70. This is called a term, isn't it? This is called one term. This one term in terms. You can find that 7 and a. 7 and a are called factors. They are called factors. Why? Because why you call factors? Because 7 into a. 7 into a are factors. 7 into a are factors. Okay. This is what I want to show you. And with this, we can start the exercise 11.3. Okay. So one more point I will tell you before starting this exercise, that is how algebraic expression are formed. I'll give you some examples. Okay, with this example, we will know how the expressions are formed. Okay. See my dear student, for example, here a y plus 5 is an expression. So this expression is written as 5 added to y, like this, or 5 more than y, like this also, 5 added to, and next we have some more here, like t minus 7 is the expression. So how it form here is that subtracted, yes, 7 subtracted from t. Okay, next 10a. 10a, how 10a? He said that a multiplied by 10, or you can say that 10 times a, 10 times a, or a multiplied by 10, or 10 times a, like this. Okay, then in the same method, this how it form. Okay, 5 added to y, 7 subtracted from t, a multiplied by 10. Next we have this x by 3. That means x divided by 3. So these things you have to keep in your mind. It is not that you behave them, but it is that you must remember how these expressions are formed. For example, x plus 5 means 5 added to y. So y plus 5. Y plus 5 is 5 added to y. T minus 7. T minus 7 means 7 separated from t. 10a means a multiplied by 10. Or x by 3 means x divided by 3. So this is how the expressions are formed. Okay. So how they are formed, that it's not that you by heart, it's not that you should by heart them, but you must remember them how they. Let's see some more again. Then y plus 7. So let us see. That means y multiplied by 10, then added 7 to the product. Y multiplied by 10, then 7 added what? Added 7 to the product, or you can say that 7 added to the product. Then one more thing, twice n minus 1. Then n multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2, then 1 subtracted from the product. This is what the statements are. So my dear student, here I want to show you that I want to tell you that. So this is how the expression are formed. Okay, how the expression are formed. Given that here 10y plus 7 is y multiplied by 10, then 7 to the here 2n minus 1 is n multiplied by 2, then 1 subtract from the product. So these are the statements, how they form. And if it is statement and their expressions, if you have to write the expressions, is the expression here. Okay, this is called expression. This is how they form. But this is called statement also. Statement. So this is a statement here in words. Okay, in words. And then if you want to write an expression, then we have to write this expression. Vice versa. Okay. So question may be given only this part and you ask to write this part. Or question may be given this written part, word part. Okay. Word part means this statement part, and you ask to write the expression. Like this, then we have to understand. Okay, clear. So with this, let us go to the next exercise, 11.3. My dear student, exercise 11.3, question number one. Okay, question number one and question number two is your homework. You can do yourself very simple. It's just your logic only. Okay, about the algebra. So here nothing. Just see the question very simple. You can do yourself. Okay. Question number three. I'll come to question number three. Question number three is like this. We have to identify the operation A. Z plus 1, z minus 1, y plus 17, and y minus 17. See, here what is the operation? Z plus 1 is addition. Addition, isn't it? Then, how it's formed? How it formed is that 1 added to z. Next, z minus 1. What is the operation here? Operation is subtraction. Subtraction. Then how it formed? Then 1 subtracted from z. Next, y plus 17. That is addition. addition, isn't it? Addition. Then how it formed? 17 added to y. Next, y minus 17. Operation is subtraction. Subtraction.